Good evening. This is All India Radio, Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays foundation stone of environment-friendly Ahmedabad Metro Rail Project Phase 2 and Surat Metro Rail Project. Vice President Naidu suggests corporates to consciously encourage whistle-blowing mechanism. Union Minister Nitin Gadakari says target of constructing 40-kilometre roads per day will be achieved by end of March 2021. And national COVID-19 recovery rate improves to 96.59%. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has laid the foundation stone of Ahmedabad Metro Rail Project Phase 2 and Surat Metro Rail Project this morning through video conferencing. Speaking on the occasion, Prime Minister said projects like railway connectivity with Kevadia and metro projects of Surat and Ahmedabad will boost economic development in the region. He said that implementation of these projects shows that the infrastructure development in the country has not stopped despite the corona pandemic. Modi said that the biggest feature of these metro rail projects is that it is being implemented with the future requirements of the people. Prime Minister Modi said that his government is working with an integrated transport approach in implementing the metro rail projects. Speaking on the occasion, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that today is a historic day for the people of Ahmedabad and Surat. He said that the metro projects in Ahmedabad and Surat will improve the environment-friendly, quality and cost-effective public transport system. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu today suggested all corporates to consciously encourage whistle-blowing mechanism and provide adequate safeguards for the protection of whistleblowers. Delivering the e-convocation address at the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, the Vice President stressed that it was important to ensure transparency and accountability in all matters of corporate governance to enhance the confidence of all the stakeholders, including the shareholders. Stressing the need to protect public money, Naidu said that system has to be foolproof to reduce the scope for any irregularity. Highlighting that the actions of a few have brought bad name to Indian business, the Vice President urged the young company secretaries to ensure ethics and accountability in corporate governance through their guidance and hand-holding. Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadakari said that the target of constructing 40-kilometre roads per day will be achieved by the end of March this year. He informed that the government has already achieved a target of constructing 30 kilometres road per day. Addressing the media in New Delhi on the inauguration of National Road Safety Month, Gadakari said, every day 415 people die in the country due to road accidents. He said the government is committed to reduce the road accidents in the country by improving the road engineering and compliance measures. He added that 14,000 crore rupees will be spent on identifying and repairing the black spots on the roads. Gadakari urged the stakeholders to cooperate in improving the road safety mechanism, saying that compromise cannot be made with the life of the people. Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank today said that a new national education policy will provide a unique platform to fulfill the aspirations of students. He said this policy will benefit the students by inculcating the scientific temperament in them and promoting extracurricular and vocational activities. Interacting with the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya in New Delhi, Nishank said, national education policy will create a holistic evaluation process and a policy will prepare the students to become self-reliant in every field. The Education Minister said COVID-19 posed a new challenge before the country, but India is fully equipped to deal with these challenges. United Kingdom has invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi to attend the G7 summit as a guest. The G summit is to be held in June this year. A statement by the British High Commission said UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson is also likely to visit India ahead of the G7 summit. Johnson's earlier visit to India was called off by him due to the coronavirus situation in the UK. The G7, made up of the UK, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the US and the EU, is the only forum where the world's most influential and open societies and advanced economies are brought together for close-knit discussion. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. COVID-19 recovery rate has improved to 96.59% with over 1 crore 2 lakh 11,000 cumulative recoveries so far in the country. The rate of new daily infection has further slipped even below 15,000, with only 13,788 cases being reported in the past 24 hours. The country has 50 times more recovered cases than the current active cases. The Health Ministry has informed that enhanced countrywide medical infrastructure, implementation of centers' standard treatment protocol by the states and union territories, and total dedication and commitment of doctors, paramedics, and frontline workers have led to a persistent increase in the number of total recoveries in the country. Nagaland reported 3 fresh positive cases of COVID-19 today, taking the total confirmed cases to 12,061. Health Minister Espangyapom in a tweet said 2 cases were detected from Dimapur and 1 from Mukukchung. He also added that Kohima recorded recoveries of 2 infected persons, while 1 each from Dimapur and Peren. With this, the state has total recovered cases of 11,717. Currently, there are 115 active cases of COVID-19 in the state. Defence Secretary Ajay Kumar today inaugurated Swachhata Pakhwara, organised by National Cadet Corps (NCC) at India Gate. The theme of this Swachhata Pakhwara is Clean India, Green India, Ye Hai Mera Dream India. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Ajay Kumar said that NCC is the largest uniformed youth organisation of the world and has contributed immensely towards nation building. He also complimented NCC cadets for their contribution as corona warriors to prevent the spread of pandemic through exercise NCC Yoktan. He added that NCC is rendering human service in creating a reservoir of trained, disciplined, and motivated youth ready to lead the nation. The ceremony culminated with the flagging off of a block run by the Defence Secretary. During the Swachhata Pakhwara, the NCC cadets will keep Rajpath clean for the Republic Day Parade 2021 by spreading awareness through displaying banners, distribution of pamphlets, and showcasing Swachhata through Nukat Nataks. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in a Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio on 31st of this month. It will be the 73rd episode of the monthly radio program. In a tweet, Modi urged people to share inspiring anecdotes for this. The Prime Minister said he will be referring to some of them in the program too. People can share their views in the Namo app or MyGov Open Forum. They can also dial the toll-free number 1800-11-7800 and record their message for the Prime Minister in either Hindi or English. People can also give a missed call on 1922 and follow the link received in SMS to directly give their suggestions to the Prime Minister. And as the nation fights COVID-19 pandemic, let us all remember to stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, wash hands frequently with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer, and follow social distancing norms. And now 20 News, here are the main points again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays foundation stone of environment-friendly Ahmedabad Metro Rail Project Phase 2 and Surat Metro Rail Project. Vice President Naidu suggests corporates to consciously encourage whistleblowing mechanism. Union Minister Nitin Gadakari says target of constructing 40-kilometre roads per day will be achieved by the end of March 2021. And national COVID-19 recovery rate improves to 96.59%. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.